Hey everybody, it's Dianna Prince here with Atomic Jane Clothing, atomicjaneclothing.com. I just did my wardrobe test and I love this dress, so I thought I would do my product review now. I love sunflowers. Who doesn't love the classic sunflowers? They have so many different bright orange and yellow colors running through them with the green leaves, and I love the fact that they've got the dress with the dark kind of navy blue background. I love the 3/4 length sleeves. I love the material because I just feel so comfortable. I could just sit in this or go anywhere in this. I really feel comfortable, and they do run in the true sizes. For the fashion show that I'm going to be in, I'm going to incorporate probably not a necklace because I'm going to use this scarf in some sort of way, but maybe a belt. But I have on some shoes that are yellow as well. And what I want to show you is a vintage scarf. This is a really big vintage scarf, and I want to show you a couple different ways that I can style this using my fabulous Atomic Jane Clothing dress. And I do love the cut of it here and the way that it flares out. I absolutely love it. It's so comfortable, and I love the way that it feels. I love dresses that flare out on me like this, and it's knee length as well, so I love that. I want to show you now how to do this, how I'm going to do this. So we're going to take a huge scarf and fold it in half, and I actually have a mirror sort of in front of me right now so I can halfway see today. Tried to be a little bit more prepared for my product review. So we're going to tie it directly in the middle. Pull this back. And this would be something that for photo shoots would be really stylish, you know, to do a vintage look. But also for practical reasons, if you are going somewhere to a photo shoot, or, you know, doing a vintage photo shoot where someone's getting ready or they're going somewhere, a starlet, that, you know, 9 times out of 10, they're going to be wearing one of these to keep their hair together until it's time to get ready. So that's one way. And this is kind of a more pinup-y and definitely a rockabilly sort of way. Just keep it folded in half. And I like to kind of dip it through so it's getting the cuff in the back, or you can just pre-do it on your own. I've got my sunglasses on here. You may want to do it without the sunglasses first. And I'm actually going to tie this in a bow, even with wearing my gloves. I'm going to try and tie this in a bow. I can't feel very much. So it's kind of a rockabilly look, but then the glasses are like, you know, more glamorous and Hollywoodish. But I've got my Betty Page style hair today, so it definitely works with that. And that's another look. So those are 2 for their hair, and I know that there's probably several others where you can roll it tighter and tie it on the side. And if it was a 1960s look, then you tie it here and would cuff it around the side. There's so many ways. This is definitely 1950s for me. So here's the way that I would tie it around my neck. And you just flap it over. Kind of have your hair there. Helps if you have an assistant. They can see what's going on back there. And then of course you're just going to very simply tie it right here down the middle. Try to get it even. Double knot it. And then leave it right in the middle. Or you can put it to the side. And maybe with this you could have a flower in your hair if you wanted to. And a belt, of course. I haven't decided which belt I'm going to use yet. So another way would be to let the material really stay loose as much as you can at the top. And this is going to depend on the length and the width of your scarf. And I'm going to try and do this. I can't really feel with these gloves on. but you try to get it down as far as you can. And some scarves you can go down further because they're longer or they're wider. So this is a vintage scarf. I try to use vintage scarves as much as possible. And these are some modern gloves with lace flowers, and I'm wearing flowers. So this kind of reminds me of like Girl Scout leader mom. But yeah, you can do it like this. And then there's other scarves that are even longer and wider where you can really expand them and put them here. And there's actually brooches, I don't know the exact term, but they're jewelry that can clamp on and it can end up being longer. So here is my suggestions, and this is what I would do, and this is what I plan to do whenever I wear this, whenever I model in this. I love this dress by Atomic Jean Clothing. And again, I want to say thank you to them because I've loved every single dress that I've gotten. And I really love this one a lot because the design is so different. I'm just personally in love with the 3/4 right here. I really do. And I love how many things that I can do with this scarf. It is absolutely adorable and everything matches with my dress. So thanks again, and I want everybody to use my code Dianna Prince 25 off. That's Dianna with 2 N's, Dianna Prince 25% off. And you can go to atomicjainclothing.com and your entire order will be 25% off. And I want to thank everyone for watching my product reviews, and I'll see you guys next time.